Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be explaining how to add custom domain to distribute voice of customer service. So we will first add a custom domain and then open any survey. Use a distributor email address to an email address which belongs to this custom domain. So myself Devi Kumari Krishna. Please refer to my blog URL where I have explained the same thing, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let us log into portal.office.com. Navigate to Settings, Org Settings. Under Org Settings Services tab, you will find Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. So once you open it, you will see the option to add domain. I already have added devisdemo.com as a verified account. So let me show the same thing here. Try to enter the URL without prefixing https or www. So click on next. Since I already have a verified account, I won't have the name alias name generated. So I will just cancel it. Open the verified account which I have already created. So I click on edit. When you enter it for the first time, the CNAME and text would have auto-generated. So I just go a step back. So this is the account which I have added already. So you could see that name, alias name and type is already generated here. So we have to copy this name, alias name for all these three records and associate them into the devisdemo.com domain DNS. So I have purchased this domain from GoDaddy. So I logged on to this particular domain DNS and added the CNAME records. So when you add the records, make sure if you use GoDaddy or Azure domains, so automatically it would prefix the domain name. So even though the CNAME generated has devis.demo.com as prefix, let us not add them in the CNAMEs. So with respect to TXT, I have added the same value what is available in admin portal. I have added exactly the same. Once we do this, once in the domain manager of respective domain controller, in my case it's GoDaddy, the CNAME and TXT are added. Let us come back to admin center and click on verify. So here, if it is the first time, this entry would be blank. In my case, I have already added an email address. So you could see that the domain is pointing to devisdemo.com. So I entered the email address prefix, a display name, and an approved user. So licensed user will be chosen as approved user here. On behalf of this user, the service would be distributed using the email ID sales@devisdemo.com. So if you have multiple email address which you need to use for survey distribution, add all of them here. Otherwise, click on next. So once you click on next, you could see here that it is asking for a confirmation for the chosen email address, display name and the approved user. So let us click on finish. Yeah, you see that the custom email address have been created successfully. So now let's log on to customer voice. Let me quickly open customer voice. Okay. This is my trial account. So I navigate to the projects. So I open the demo survey project where I've already created a survey. So you could see that we have a send tab Let us click on Send tab and expand the customization section. So under customization we have distribution settings. So in that you could see there is an email channel. So when I expand this email channel, all the approved custom domain email IDs would be available in this drop down. In case we don't have any custom domains, all the surveys would be distributed using the default surveys@email.formspro.microsoft.com as a sender. So let me choose sales@daviesdemo.com. Now let me try to resend the survey. Let me choose manual. So you could see here that the from address is automatically chosen to sales@daviesdemo. So I will use my Gmail ID. So I have it as a contact already in system. So now let's quickly send the survey. So I'll quickly open my Gmail account. daviesdemo.com. So let me expand this email. Yeah, this is the email which has just arrived. And let us click on Start Survey to see if it is navigating to the survey page in which we have applied the sender. Yeah, all set. Okay, we are good to capture the right custom domain distributor. Thank you for watching.